Pag inakyat yung bundok na to, yung sa likod nito, yun na sa amin. Yung sa amin na Lion Rock. Barbecue area.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. That's tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I
Plastic
feel
marigal
like
ka,
I'm
tapos
on
ipinit
cloud
ko yung
nine.
kutswan.
You've been
Hindi
harder
ay,
than Fourth
plastic
of
na lamesa yung
July.
dalang
I
yung nakita
think
ko.
I can go all night, yeah. The way you
Hindi,
bite
tiga,
your
tiga.
lips, blush and smile you
Wag,
give.
tiga.
You're just so
Madali lang.
stunning.
Hindi, kahit yung plastic ng lamesa, okay na
I've
yun.
been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you.
Sorry, off ko muna. May part 2 na lang mamaya. Bye at this moment.
About you.
Dahil birthday ni Maring Aida. Abon.
Marshall Summit,
Andito kami sa...
hella tipsy,
Ano ito?
feeling dizzy, got
Hindi
no
ito
plans,
Lion Rock.
ready
Ano
for
siya? Ano? Kasi
on the rocks. Crazy but
Lagyan ko na
not
lang ng
like
caption.
CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a
Ayan,
free
oh.
throw. Party
Missing
foul,
people,
party
this is
foul.
that.
Help her out, grab her
Oh.
down.
Ang
Make
hirap
cheers
namin
to the
nagpatingan.
governor. While the beer was a lover.
Yan yung my birthday.
Trust me, ain't no amateurs, nah. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. We're sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bed, lucid dreaming.
Hello, my birthday.
Feeling nothing lately
Ano na ang pangalan mo?
without you. I know there's something
Carolina Abon.
about you.
Aida. Kagawan pala siya, kagawan. Ayan, no, tama na.
Without you, I know that something special made me think about you.
Ayan na, hinahanda nila yung plastic. Naglayas na naman ang mga mabubuso. Ito yung telegram. Taga Aurora din siya dati. Nag-move na nga kayo ng saan?
Sa Solano.
Sa Solano. Alam mo anak, itong likod nito, usually doon lang sa may amin ko. Yun na yun. Plastic mari kayo teka. Ipinis ko yung tagpuan. Hindi ay. Plastic ng lamesa yung dalang yung nakita ko. Ay. Hindi. Teka. Wag. Teka. Madali lang. Hindi. Kahit yung plastic ng lamesa, okay na yun. Sorry, off ko muna. May park ko na lang mamaya. Bye at this moment.
Okay, gina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Sino yung magkakapatid dyan? Tapos yung magkakapatid mo na. Ayan yung magkakapatid, oh, yung gitna ang may birthday. Kasama na kami. Hello, inaanak!
Sino ba yung celebrant lalaga? Sino ba yung celebrant?
Ilan pa kayo mag-birthday? Okay, gina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basta sa tesari. Atay, ginawan. Ita! Ita na! Tapa. Ita! Pray! Okay na. Sino may lighter?
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yung magkakapatid, isama mo yung mga kapatid
Oo, yung
mo.
mga sisters niya.
Sisters! Sino yung magkakapatid dyan? Tapos yung magkakapatid muna. Iyan yung magkakapatid, oh, yung gitna ang my birthday. Yan. Wala na, sige na. Grupo na, grupo na, grupo na.
Saan yung camera mo? Yung PN mo? Ito sa'yo? Ay, naka-live, naka-live.